I am Steve Mueller, Managing Partner of Syndicate Legal Services. Today's topic: what is the fastest way to fund my company? Well, other than a rich family or friend, the fastest way to fund your company, whether it is a day one startup or a mature international operating company, is not through venture capital, not through crowdfunding, not through a private placement, and not through an email campaign to every investment advisor on the globe. The fastest way to fund your company is without a doubt through a listing on the OTC Pink market. Here is the reason why it is right 100% of the time. First, you can become a public company on the OTC Pink in about 2 to 3 weeks. Second, with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission's streamlined process for registration statements and approval for public marketing materials, you can have an initial public offering live at the same time you go public on the OTC market. Third, and here's the kicker, not only are OTC market investments available to roughly 117 million of the 162 million investing Americans that use trading apps such as Robinhood, Schwab, Fidelity, E-Trade, Interactive Brokers, and others, but most of the investment apps now allow for advertising through groups like PubMatic, RevX, AdMob, and others. And finally, the best part. Here at Syndicate Legal Services, we have taken companies public on the OTC markets without a dime in upfront fees and costs to our clients. Also, there are no financial audit requirement to go public on the OTC Pink market, which can save companies thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. So if you're looking for fast funding for your company with little to no upfront fees and costs, whether you're a day one startup or a growth stage company, an OTC Pink market listing is the fastest path to capitalization outside of a rich family member or friend. Call Syndicate Legal Services today to get your company listed on the OTC market.